What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining me in this 15-minute low impact ride here. It's gonna be nice and easy, just a 15-minute quick ride. You just do what you can. This is for those who might have any joint issues. It's just gonna be some basic moves on an indoor bike here, okay? Alright, so we're warming it on up nice and easy. Keep it breathing. Again, tip here is to always feel resistance against those legs. No matter how low you're dropping it, I don't want you dropping it all the way down. I want you feeling something against those feet here, okay? It's similar to controlling your road here, controlling your ground, simulating that ride outside. So make sure those knees are bending forward, feet stay nice and flat here. Bottom right there on the widest part of your seat. Pushing through the widest part of your foot. Soft bending the elbows when you're holding those handlebars. Shoulders are relaxed. Don't be tensed up right here, okay? Don't be here. Keep it nice and loose. Grips are loose too, okay? Hands are loose, fingers loose. Nice and easy. Just keep it breathing. And if you ever need any extra breaks, go ahead and take it. Grab water whenever you need to. Wipe sweat whenever you need to. It's your ride in the end. And I want you to get that perfect workout in, okay? I want you to get that great workout in. Nice and easy here. So if you haven't been to my channel, welcome to Flex Fitness. I have cycling workouts, indoor workouts. I have band workouts, strength workouts, weights, lots of workouts. So check out the rest of my channel. Alright, so right now you're focused on your ride here, okay? Think of a goal, okay? If you don't have a goal, think of one. It's a short-term goal. It could be just a goal for this ride that you're gonna finish the 15 minutes with no breaks. You're gonna do what you can for this 15 minutes. But if it's a long term, this is just one stepping stone towards that full goal here. Health goal, fitness goal, whatever that goal is, your reason, you find it. It's gonna help you drive you through this workout path here, okay? Alright, so joining me for this workout, you are joining this Flex Squad. Nice collective of individuals everywhere around the world working out alongside you, okay? Alright, add some resistance. Doesn't have to be too much. You can just start making that level, getting closer to a medium level resistance here. Again, depending on what bike you have, your levels, your resistance, your numbers are going to be all different. So again, it's based off of easy, medium, and heavy. Adding resistance, getting to that medium level here. Keep pushing. Then we're gonna get a standing in about 20 seconds here. I want you to add some more resistance. When we're standing, we always feel some resistance against those legs. It's gonna be a lot more resistance than when we're seated, because it's just gonna help you stabilize. Okay, it's kind of weird, but the more resistance, the easier it is gonna be standing. So give me some more resistance. Easy standing here. Hips right there over the pedals. Shoulders relaxed, chest is open, chest is proud. Soft bending those elbows. If you're straightening out those elbows, if you're tensed up right here, or you're reaching down far, that means your handlebars are too low. Go ahead and raise them up. Then again, this ride, your bike should feel comfortable for you. Keep it going, everybody. Give me a little bit more resistance if you got it. Okay, this is in control. Controlling the upper body as well. This side to side, not control, okay? So you need to add more resistance. But again, feel out the legs. If it's your first time riding, just do what you can. That first step, remember, is clicking on that video, is hopping on the bike, is joining along with me. That's that first step. Second step is finishing the workout, okay? No matter what pace you're at. Go ahead and have a seat. Peel off some resistance, picking some speed up here. Great job, everybody. Keep it going. Sweats might have started. That's good. That's awesome. You're working hard. Working for that goal. Remember, keeping that goal back in your mind. Alright, gonna add more back. That resistance, stand it back up. About a medium level. You can go more beyond that medium level if you like, if you're feeling strong. If you know what you're doing and you're just taking this ride just for an extra workout, fine with me. Great job. Okay, we're gonna reach those hips back. Our hands are coming to the handlebars here, higher part of them. Reaching that bottom back. I'm not seated. Elbows, I'm not leaning against those handlebars. Keep it flat, keep that back engaged, core tight. Keep it breathing. So with this position, this is a hover back, or it's also called a tap back. You're working the back of the legs a little bit harder. Working those glutes, working those hamstrings. Reach that bottom back a little bit further, working the glutes even more. All right, stand it on back up, release the tension in that back. Nice and easy, control the ride here. Good job, everybody. Hover back. Keep breathing. How are we doing, everyone? Not too bad, right? Stand it on back up. We're gonna keep this resistance. We're gonna get seated in about 20 seconds or so. That ride is gonna feel heavy, but that's what we want. Changing up that resistance, keep our legs working. We never get used to it. Changing up the resistance is controlling that road. Okay, the road you're on. That path of fitness you're on. Go ahead and have a seat. Keep that resistance. Try not to touch that down. But if it's too heavy for you, go ahead and peel some off. That's okay. Okay, so it's all about you. If you do have a monitor on your bike, you can use it to help gauge you of where your fitness is at on the bike. Okay, remember that. Use your monitor, gauge your numbers. That's gonna help you progress on your way to that goal. Keep it going. Legs should be feeling like you're pedaling through mud here. You're stepping in peanut butter. It's very hard. It's very sticky, the road, okay? If you're smooth sailing through that smooth peanut butter, go ahead and add some resistance, okay? That level is too easy for you. Working that climb here. Pushing those legs, working quads, top of those legs. All right. Keep doing what you're doing, okay? Again, if you ever need a break, go ahead and take it whenever. That's up to you. That's how your body is feeling. Listen to it. Okay, stay hydrated, especially if you're gonna be riding a lot. Stay hydrated. All right, 15 more seconds and we're gonna peel off more resistance. I'm gonna get into a smooth, flat road here. Great job, everybody. On this smooth, flat road, I want you to pick in that speed up. Your legs will still be pushing at that same resistance, but we peel it off, so it's gonna be working faster. Okay, you keep that same intensity going on the legs, on the body here. So again, you peel that off, smooth the road here, legs are picking that speed up. RPMs about 65 or higher here. Keep it going. Feel that wind blowing in your face. Feels good. You're sweating, you're breathing heavy. You're working hard, challenging those legs, challenge that body and mind. Keep it going. In 15 seconds, we're adding in more resistance. Okay, we're coming back up. Picking that resistance up. It's gonna slow down our cadence, our speed, but that's what we want, okay? Here we go, add some resistance. Feeling heavier. You feel a difference, right? Turn that resistance as much as you need to feel a difference between earlier and now. Back into that mud, peanut butter, sticky road. However you want to think about it, you just keep it going. Pushing those legs no matter what that road throws at you. Awesome job, everybody. Great job. Keep pushing, keep breathing. Quads might be burning by now. That's okay. You got this. Reaching that goal, fitness goal. It's gonna meet you right at the end of this ride. Next up, we're coming up into another hill here. Okay, keep that resistance, stand on up. Keep going, everybody. You got this. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. I know you got it, okay? Remember, that first step was just clicking this video. Second step was hopping on the bike and actually joining along in the video. Third step, staying strong throughout the whole video till we finish. And I know you got it in you. Great job, everyone. Alright, give me that hover back one more time. Elbows are off. Form is getting better. Body's getting used to the moves here. Again, these are just some basic cycling moves. So then if this is too easy for you, go ahead and check out the next videos that I have. They're a little bit more challenging. But if you're still working hard on this one, try it again in the next few days. See if you do better. It's all about working hard, progressing. Either you're repeating something to get better at it, or you move on to the next level. That's how it's worked. That's how this fitness path is going to go for you. Again, if this is your first ride ever, great job. You're doing what you can. Keep breathing. Stand it on back up. Add some more resistance. Okay? Push those legs. Give me a little bit more challenge here. A little bit more resistance if you can. Feet are flat. Try not to point those toes. Abs engaged, core is tight, back tall. Soft bend in those elbows. Grips are loose. How we feeling, everybody? You got this? Still with me? Still pushing? Is your sweat dripping like I am? I hope so. If not, keep it going. Maybe add a little bit more resistance. Maybe push the legs a little bit harder. There's always ways to challenge yourselves. Again, this is your ride. You own it. You own this workout here. It's always up to you. Keep breathing. Keep climbing that hill here. Pushing through that mud. "15 more seconds and we have a seat, okay? We'll bring it back down. Almost there. Bring it on down. Feel off that resistance. Nice, easy ride. Nice flat ground, nice straight away. Great job. Keep going. We're about under 2 minutes left of this workout. Then we're gonna recover. Then we'll do a few stretches. And then we enjoy the rest of our day or night. Or we go on to the next workout. However you're feeling after this ride. Picking that speed up here. About 65, 70, or 75 RPMs. Nice and easy. Just enjoying the ride here, making some distance. Our final distance here towards that finish line. Great job again. Final minute here. Picking that speed up. Give me what you got. If you got more in your gas tank, more inside you, more fire burning inside you, let it all out right now. Keep breathing. Soft bending those elbows. Okay, we never lose that form. If you're losing form, you take that breath and then you get right back into it. 30 seconds left. Last 30. Stay with me. Push that RPMs, push that cadence, push the speed. Nice work again. We're almost there. Can you give me a little bit more? Last 10 seconds. and relax. Peel off some resistance. Slow down the legs. Keep it moving though. Alright, with that recovery for cycling, we don't just stop suddenly. We want to bring down our body, meaning bringing down the legs, bringing down the pedaling, bringing down the breathing. Wipe sweat, grab water, keep those legs going. Nice constant speed here. Nice and easy. How we do? Did we reach our goal? Are you one step closer to that goal? A few things to remember. It's always about just doing what you can. Whether my workouts or another workout, do what you can. You always start somewhere. And if this was your first time riding, awesome job. I'll give you some air fives here. Okay. Just breathe in easy. Nice. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Go ahead and shake those arms out. Shake that upper body out. Great job. Alright, gonna stop those legs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stand it on up. Feet are gonna be even on both sides here. Right foot is back for me. Push back in those heels. Chin up towards the sky or towards the ceiling. If you're indoors, if you're outdoors, wherever you're at, just chin up. Heels back. Straighten out those legs. Feel the stretch in the quads and in those calves. Alright, reach that hips back. Behind your hands, coming past those handlebars. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Show me some support. Check out my other workout videos. If this workout was too easy for you, check out my other cycling workouts. They're a little bit more challenging. Alright, switch your stance, opposite foot back. Push back in those heels. Keep it breathing. Heels down, chin up, lengthen those legs. Alright, take a seat one more time. Right hand to that left handlebar, open on up, look right behind you. Switch sides. If you need a little more stretching here, check out my stretch and recovery videos. If this stretching wasn't enough for you. Alright, one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And great job today. Another air 5 for you guys. Again, let me know in the videos below or in the comments below how this workout was for you. What kind of bike are you using? If you're new to the bike, how is it working out for you? Again, don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Until next ride or next workout, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you again.